Welcome back to Music Second Grade. Our objective today is to perform an ostinato with a chant and identify sol, sol, mi on barred instruments. As always, we are going to start with our welcome song. So get your back straight and get ready to sing loud and proud. Welcome everyone, welcome everyone. We will learn and grow our brains in this music class. Hello, scholars. Welcome everyone, welcome everyone. We will learn and grow our brains in this music class. All right, to start us off today, we have a brand new chant to learn. The first part of our chant, I am going to say the whole thing, then we'll take it line by line. When I say it, I'm going to keep the beat on my shoulders. When you repeat it back to me, I want you to do the same exact thing. My turn first, whole thing. 2, 4, 6, 8, meet me at the garden gate. If I'm late, please don't wait. 2, 4, 6, 8. All right, my turn, then your turn. 2, 4, 6, 8. Meet me at the garden gate. Your turn. Go. 2, 4, 6, 8. Meet me at the garden gate. One more time by yourself. My turn. Next line. If I'm late, please don't wait. 2, 4, 6, 8. Your turn. Go. If I'm late, please don't wait. 2, 4, 6, 8. By yourself. Ready, go. Whole chant, my turn first. 2, 4, 6, 8. Meet me at the garden gate. If I'm late, please don't wait. 2, 4, 6, 8. Say it with me. Ready, go. 2, 4, 6, 8. Meet me at the garden gate. If I'm late, please don't wait. 2, 4, 6, 8. By yourself. Ready, go. Last time with me, go. 2, 4, 6, 8. Meet me at the garden gate. If I'm late, please don't wait. 2, 4, 6, 8. Nice job. Like I said, that is the first part of our chant. Our second part is called an ostinato. And an ostinato is a repeated pattern underneath a song or chant. So this is something that we are going to be repeating over and over and over while we're also saying the chant. Ms. Ziegler, how is that possible? I only have one voice. I can only say one thing at a time. I know. I'm going to be saying one part while you are saying the other. So this video is going to get a little bit tricky, so make sure your thinking caps are on. Make sure your brain is all nice and ready, because I am going to be saying something and you are going to be saying something different at the same time. All right, so we're going to have two parts of our song and they are going to be spoken at the same time. Let's learn the second part first. The second part goes like this. Late, don't be late, don't be late, don't be late, don't be. So we're saying late, don't be late, don't be late, don't be late. Make sure that late is nice and long. Late should have 2 taps. So it should look like this. Late, don't be late, don't be late, don't be late. Say that with me, start on late. Go late, don't be late, don't be late, don't be late, don't be. All right, so we say it 4 times. We say that 4 times. It sounds a little bit weird because we're starting on late and then saying don't be, but it's okay. It'll all make sense when we put both parts together. All right, this time I'm going to be saying the chant while you are saying the ostinato. So I'll get you started on the ostinato, and then you are going to keep going with the ostinato or the late part, and I am going to be saying the chant. So when I start saying something different, you are still saying the ostinato. So do not listen to what I'm saying because you are still going to be saying something different than me. All right? Starting together, we are all going to be saying the ostinato. So right now we're doing the same thing. I'll tell you when I start to change. All right, we're starting with late. Ready, go. Late, don't be late, don't be late. Keep going. I'm doing something different. 2, 4, 6, 8. Meet me at the garden gate. If I'm late, please don't wait. 2, 4, 6, 8. Late, don't be late. You should have been right with me when I went back into your ostinato part. If you were at the same part that I was when I went back into the ostinato, you were correct. You did it 100% correctly. So give yourself a pat on the back. If you got super lost, that's okay. We're going to be practicing this for a while. So let's practice it again. You are ignoring what Ms. Ziegler is doing, and you are making sure that you are doing exactly the same thing over and over and over for the ostinato. You are continuously going, late, don't be late, don't be late. Join in with me, go late, don't be late. Keep going. I'm going to start something different. You keep going. Keep going. 2, 4, 6, 8. Meet me at the garden gate. If I'm late, please don't wait. 2, 4, 6, 8. Late, don't be late, don't be late. Hopefully you were able to end with me that time and you were right at the same spot for the ostinato that I was in. If not, again, no worries. We're going to do it one last time and then we're going to switch parts, where Ms. Ziegler is going to be doing the ostinato and you are saying the chant. So get ready. This is the last time with you doing the ostinato. You're going late. Don't be late. Keep going. Keep going. Late. I'm doing something different. Starting now. 2, 4, 6, 8. Meet me at the garden gate. If I'm late, please don't wait. 2, 4, 6, 8. Late, don't be late. If you were able to keep up with me that time, congratulations. If that was the first time that you were able to stop at the same spot that I was at, awesome job getting there. We love that. All right, this time we are flipping it. So I am saying the ostinato, and you are saying the chant. Make sure the chant is really in your brain. The chant goes 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. Meet me at the garden gate. If I'm late, please don't wait. 2, 4, 6, 8. Say and tap or do the motions. 2, 4, 6, 8. Meet me at the garden gate. If I'm late, please don't wait. 2, 4, 6, 8. You are going to be saying that chant while I'm saying late. Don't be late. So make sure that you are saying the chant while I am saying the ostinato. All right, get ready. I'm going to start with the ostinato. I'll tell you when you're supposed to come in with the chant. Starting with just me with the ostinato. I'm going late. Don't be late. Don't be late. You come in with the chant. Ready, go. Late. Don't be late. Don't be late. Don't be 2, 4, 6, 8. So I should have caught you at the very end, the very last part of the chant, where you say 2, 4, 6, 8. If you were able to keep up and we landed at the same place, awesome job. That one's a little bit trickier. If not, let me remind you of what the chant sounds like one more time. The chant is 2, 4, 6, 8. Meet me at the garden gate. If I'm late, please don't wait. 2, 4, 6, 8. This time I'm going to do the motions for the chant that you're saying while I'm saying the ostinato. That might help us out. This time I'm going to say the ostinato while I'm showing the motions for what you should be chanting. All right, get ready. I'm going to start with the ostinato. I'll tell you when you're supposed to come in. Late. Don't be late. Don't be late. Start with the chant. 1, 2, chant now. Late. Don't be late. Don't be late. Late. Be late. Don't be. Hopefully you were able to keep up that time. If the motions were really helpful for you, I'm going to do it one more time with the motions. If they were not helpful for you, don't feel like you have to look at them. You can keep keeping the beat and you can close your eyes if that's easier for you. Whatever works. Looking helps for some people, just listening helps for others. Do what's best for you. All right, I'm going to start with the ostinato and then I'll tell you when you're supposed to come in with the chant. Get ready. Ostinato goes late. Don't be late. Don't be late. Come in with the chant. Ready, go. Late. Don't be late. Don't be late. Don't be late. Don't be. Last time with you doing the chant, I'm just going to be saying the ostinato and keeping the beat like we have been. I'm just keeping the beat. I won't be helping you out with the motions anymore. So try your best to make sure that you are staying on beat with the chant and ignoring what Ms. Ziegler is saying. Get ready. I start with the ostinato. I'll tell you when to come in. Ostinato goes late. Don't be late. Don't be late. Don't be. Start the chant. Ready, go. Late. Don't be late. Don't be late. Don't be late, 6, 8. So hopefully we ended at the same spot. I should have gotten the last 2 numbers with you on your chant. All right, that's some tricky stuff there, 2nd grade, so go ahead and shake it off. All right, now that it's shaken out, we are going to do one more time of both the ostinato and the chant. So you're going to have one last opportunity to do the ostinato and the chant. So we're going to go the whole thing 2 times right in a row. So if you start off doing the ostinato, the second time we go into it, you're going to do the chant. If you start off doing the chant, the second time you're going to do the ostinato. You can choose to say or do whatever I'm saying to do exactly what I'm doing, or you can choose to say or do the opposite to make it extra tricky for you. But no matter what you're doing, you are saying and clapping the rhythm. So if I am a 2nd grade scholar and I choose to start with the chant, this is exactly how it's going to look. I'm going to go 2, 4, 6, 8, meet me at the garden gate. If I'm late, please don't wait. 2, 4, 6, 8. Late, don't be late. Don't be late. Don't be late. Don't be. So I am going right into whatever part I did not start with. So now it is your turn. Ms. Ziegler is going to start with the chant. Then Ms. Ziegler is going to start with the ostinato and then do the chant. You can choose to do exactly what Ms. Ziegler is doing. Say the ostinato and then right into the chant with me. Or you can choose to do the opposite, so you're doing both parts at the same time. But no matter what you're doing, you're clapping the rhythm and saying the words this time. So Ms. Ziegler is starting with the ostinato. You can start with the chant if you want. We're all going to start at the exact same time. Get ready. You're either starting on 2, 4, 6, 8 or late. Get ready. Starting at the same time. 2 times. Ready, go. Late. Don't be late. Don't be late. Don't be late. 2nd time. 2, 4, 6, 8. Meet me at the garden gate. If I'm late, please don't wait. 2, 4, 6, 8. Nice work there, 2nd grade. Way to bring it all together. All right, up next we are going to be learning different ways to say pitches. So I have a chart here that shows the 2 pitches, sol and mi. Sol is all in the top space and mi is all in the bottom space. Remember, we read left to right when we read music, just like we're reading a book. So if we're following along left to right, you see we have sol, sol, mi, sol, sol, mi. So with the pitches, if we sing this card, it would sound like this. Sol, sol, mi, sol, sol, mi. Sing that with me, ready, go. Sol, sol, mi, sol, sol, mi. Make sure you are using the hand signs when you're singing. One more time, hand signs, sing. Sol, sol, mi, sol, sol, mi. We were just singing using what we call solfege syllables. They're called solfege syllables. I have the syllables that we were using circled here. We were using sol and mi. But there are other syllables or other pitches that are used that are lower than mi, one that's in between sol and mi, and then some that are higher than sol. So from bottom to top, this chart shows us, it shows us do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, this is what our chart is showing us from lowest to highest. We are going to be talking about how we can take what we know from our solfege chart and apply it to barred instruments. So remember, our barred instruments are our Orff instruments like xylophones, metallophones, and glockenspiels. We don't have those with us right now, but I can show you on my piano how we can figure out what note names on our instruments correspond or go with what pitches we're singing with solfege. On my piano, you can see that the keys are labeled with different letters. The musical alphabet goes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then starts back over at A. The musical alphabet goes A to G. There is no letter name with an H. There will never be an H or any letter past H in the musical alphabet. It'll only go A to G and then start back over. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Start back over. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It can keep going on and on. When we get higher, we go up the alphabet. So we go forwards in the alphabet as we get higher. When we get lower, we go backwards in the alphabet. So lower is to the left, higher is to the right. So when I am getting higher, you can see that I'm just going up the alphabet and my finger is moving to the right. When I'm getting lower, you can see that I'm going backwards in the music alphabet and my finger is getting closer to the left. If I were to play this whole scale for you from do to do, if I were to play do to do on the piano, it would look and sound like this. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Each pitch that we sing, do to do, has a corresponding note on the piano. Sometimes it can change though. So we need to figure out which note is do so we can figure out which note all the other ones are. So for the song that we were singing at the beginning, we use two pitches. We use sol and mi. Sol and mi. If I tell you which pitch sol is, I want to see if we can figure out which pitch mi is. So for this song today, sol is going to be C. So if we look at the piano, I want you to see if you can find any C on the piano. I see a C right here. So we know C is the same thing as sol for our song today. So I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to write the letter C next to sol. We know that sol is the same thing as C. Fa is the next pitch below sol. So I want you to think right now, which direction on the piano are we going to go if we're getting lower? Because we need to find out what note mi is, and we know because it's closer to the bottom, it's a lower pitch. So which way on the piano do we need to go when we're going lower? We're starting at C. Do I go to the right or do I go to the left? If you're saying I should go to the left to get lower, you are correct. So C is sol, which means B is fa. So I'm going to put a little B next to fa. We're not done yet because we're trying to figure out which note mi is. We know sol is C, fa is B, and we are going lower because it's closer to the bottom. And we just said that lower is to the left. So we're going to go one more lower to find what mi is. So check out the letter on this key. Mi is A. So when we are singing, sol, sol, mi, sol, sol, mi, it is the same thing as singing C, C, A, C, C, A. A is the same thing as mi, and C is the same thing as sol. They are the same pitch, we're just calling them by different names. Mi and sol is what we use when we sing. C and A is what we use when we are playing the instruments at school. So again, to figure out what notes go with what pitches we sing, you just figure out if you're getting higher or lower. If you're getting higher, you're going to be going up or to the right on our instrument. If you're getting lower, you're going to be going down or to the left on our instrument. If this is a little tricky for you, don't worry because we are going to keep on practicing as the year goes on. For your exit ticket today, we are going to be practicing what we just learned. So you are going on Seesaw, making sure that your class name is up here, either Howard or Duke, clicking on the light bulb for activities, and then you should see your class name, today's date, 10/21 or 10/22, and music exit ticket. The instructions are as follows. All right, second grade, for your exit ticket today, I want you to either write or record back to me telling me that if sol is the same thing as C, what letter is mi? So if this note right here for sol is the same thing as the letter note C, think about your alphabet backwards. Sol is C. Count back in your alphabet backwards to figure out what letter name mi would have. If sol is C, mi is. Write or record back your response. Can't wait to hear. Bye. So for your response, you are going to click this green plus sign that says Add Response. Select your name. And you are either writing or recording back to me what you think the letter name is. On my screen right now, I'm going to draw to you something that might help. My piano looks like this with different keys. Remember, they were labeled A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then it kept going. A, B, C. If C is sol, which letter is mi? If C is sol, which letter is mi? Remember, our solfege goes do, re,
mi, fa, sol, la, ti, and then back to do. So if si is sol, what letter is mi? Write or record your response back to me, and I can't wait to see what we learned today. Have a good rest of your week. Bye.